Welcome to the Health Collective, your ultimate guide to a healthier and better life. Here, we are committed to empowering you with actionable and scientifically backed advice to enhance your well-being. Our mission is not just to inform, but to transform, turning knowledge into daily habits for a sustainable, healthier lifestyle. We're not just about fitness or diets, we're about comprehensive wellness, from your head to your toes. Today, we delve into the world of eye health with 5 ways to keep your eyes healthy and prevent vision loss. The eyes are not just the window to the soul, but also an indicator of our overall health. These little orbs of sight are our primary navigational tools, helping us to perceive the world in all its vibrant colors and intricate detail. When our eyes are in good health, they allow us to perform at our best, whether that's reading a captivating novel, appreciating a stunning sunset, or simply navigating our daily tasks with ease. However, vision loss can dramatically impact our quality of life. It can hinder our ability to perform basic tasks, enjoy our hobbies, or even recognize the faces of our loved ones. This is why maintaining good eye health is absolutely critical. It's not just about preserving our vision, but about safeguarding our independence, our enjoyment of life, and our connection to the world around us. So, how do we take care of our eyes? Let's explore. Just like the rest of our body, our eyes need proper nutrition to function optimally. Indeed, our peepers are no different from our muscles or bones. They also require certain vitamins and minerals to stay in tip-top shape. Today, we're going to explore some of these essential nutrients and how to incorporate them into your daily diet. Let's start with vitamin A. This nutrient is a superstar when it comes to maintaining our vision. It helps to keep the surface of the eye clear and also plays a crucial role in preventing night blindness. Foods rich in vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Then we have vitamin C, known for its immunity-boosting properties. But did you know it's also a friend to our eyes? It's an antioxidant that fights off the free radicals causing damage to our eyes. So where can we find it? Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, as well as bell peppers and strawberries, are excellent sources. Moving on to vitamin E, another antioxidant that protects our eyes from oxidative damage. Nuts and seeds, avocados, and dark leafy greens are all packed with this vitamin. Next up, omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential for our body and, yes, you guessed it, for our eyes too. They contribute to visual development and the health of the retina. Foods rich in omega-3 include fish like salmon and tuna, flax seeds, and walnuts. Lastly, let's talk about zinc. This mineral plays a vital role in transporting vitamin A from the liver to the retina. Zinc is found in foods like oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Now, you might be wondering, how do I incorporate all these into my daily diet? Well, it's easier than you think. A colorful salad with spinach, bell peppers, and a sprinkling of seeds, a citrus fruit for dessert, perhaps a fish dish for dinner. It's all about balance, variety, and making mindful food choices. Remember, good nutrition is the first step towards good eye health. So let's start taking care of our eyes from the inside out. Regular eye checkups are more important than you might think. Why, you may ask? Well, they are essentially the frontline defense in maintaining our eye health and preventing vision loss. They provide an opportunity for medical professionals to detect potential issues early on, before they escalate into more serious conditions. Let's think about it for a moment. Our eyes are constantly working, from the moment we wake up to the moment we close them to sleep. They're exposed to various elements: dust, sunlight, digital screens, and more. Over time, this exposure can take a toll. Regular checkups help to monitor these effects and manage them effectively. Now, you might be wondering, how often should one get their eyes checked? Good question. For those with no known eye issues, a checkup every 2 years is recommended. But if you're over 40, an annual checkup is advisable due to the increased risk of conditions like glaucoma and macular degeneration. For those with existing eye conditions or high risk factors such as diabetes or high blood pressure, more frequent checkups may be necessary. But remember, these are just general guidelines. Your eye care professional will be able to provide advice tailored to your specific needs. But what exactly happens during these checkups? Eye examinations are comprehensive processes. They involve a series of tests that evaluate not just your vision, but the complete health of your eyes. These tests can detect the early signs of conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration, even before you notice any symptoms. And let's not forget, regular eye checkups can also reveal signs of other systemic diseases such as diabetes or high blood pressure. Yes, your eyes are like a window to your overall health. You see, regular eye checkups are not just about updating your eyeglasses or contact lens prescription. They are a vital part of preventive healthcare. So let's make eye health a priority. Let's ensure that the beautiful world around us remains a sight to behold, always. Remember, prevention is better than cure, and it all starts with a simple step. Don't take your eyes for granted. Schedule regular checkups. There are several habits that can either improve or worsen your eye health. Our eyes, being such delicate and vital organs, are greatly impacted by our daily habits. Ensuring that we incorporate certain practices into our routine can go a long way in preserving our vision and overall eye health. Take, for instance, wearing sunglasses. Sunglasses are not just a fashion statement, but an essential protective gear. When you're out and about, your eyes are exposed to the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Over time, these rays can cause cataracts and macular degeneration. By wearing sunglasses that block out 99 to 100% of both UVA and UVB radiation, you're giving your eyes the shield they need. Next, let's talk about our digital lives. Staring at screens for extended periods can strain our eyes, leading to what's known as computer vision syndrome or digital eye strain. It's recommended that for every 20 minutes spent looking at a screen, you should take a 20-second break and gaze at something 20 feet away. This is often referred to as the 20-20-20 rule. It's a simple practice that can save your eyes a lot of trouble. Smoking is another habit that can harm your eyes. It increases the risk of developing conditions like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. In contrast, quitting smoking, regardless of how long or how much you've smoked, can significantly reduce that risk. Lastly, don't forget to stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause eye strain and dryness. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help maintain the moisture levels in your eyes. To sum up, protecting your eyes isn't just about seeing an eye doctor regularly or eating the right foods. It's also about making small but significant changes to your daily habits. Wear your sunglasses, take breaks from digital screens, quit smoking, and stay hydrated. Adopt these habits and your eyes will thank you. In the quest for better health, let's not forget about our eyes. As we've journeyed together today, we've explored 5 key strategies to keep our eyes healthy and prevent vision loss. First, we delved into the realm of proper nutrition. We discovered that our eyes, much like the rest of our bodies, thrive on a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. We learned that foods high in vitamins A, C, and E, along with omega-3 fatty acids, play a vital role in maintaining our eye health. Next, we emphasized the importance of regular eye checkups. Regular visits to an eye care professional can help diagnose potential problems early when they are most treatable. We learned that these checkups are not just about updating your eyeglasses or contact lens prescription. They are vital opportunities for early detection of conditions that could potentially affect your vision. Then, we moved on to discuss the healthy habits for eye health. We highlighted the significance of protective eyewear, whether it's while playing sports or doing a DIY project at home. We also talked about the importance of giving your eyes a break, especially in this digital age where screens are a constant part of our lives. Moreover, we underscored the importance of not smoking. We found out that smoking is bad not just for our lungs, but also for our eyes, as it increases the risk of developing conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Finally, we urged the importance of incorporating regular physical activity into our routines. Exercise improves blood circulation, which in turn improves oxygen levels to the eyes and the removal of toxins. In essence, the journey to better eye health involves a blend of good nutrition, regular checkups, and a handful of healthy habits. It's about making small, consistent choices every day that add up to a big impact over time. Remember, every step you take towards better eye health is a step towards a healthier you. And this journey is one we'd like to accompany you on. So here's our call to action for you today. Take one step, however small, towards better eye health. Maybe it's swapping your afternoon snack for a piece of fruit, scheduling that overdue eye exam, or taking a break from your screen every 20 minutes. Every little bit counts. Subscribe to the Health Collective for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy.